Hi, I'm Marko, welcome to Bella Brista. I'm not doing a coffee machine review today. It's scorching outside, we have a heat wave in the UK, so today is going to be a black honey milk foamed drink. So I wanted to use some gadgets we've got lying about in the showroom today. We've got the Nano Foamer Lithium Subminimal, so that helped me froth up the milk. I've also got some lovely Ethiopian 87 cup score Yirgacheffe in this sage brewer as well, all ready to go. Okay, so we have local honey. Good for hay fever sufferers, by the way. Warm water and straightforward ice, and this lovely kind of frothed up milk from the Nano Foamer. First things first, local honey. Just going to give that a nice luxurious amount of a pour. I want some sweetness. Warm water. I'll give it a bit of a stir up. Ice. Filter coffee. And dollops of foamy milk. It's more like an ice cream sundae. You can give this a good stir, or you can go straight in with a nice milky moustache. It's entirely up to you. I've used filter coffee in this, and I think nice Ethiopian, but you could just use like a double espresso. Whatever floats your boat really, but I'm going to give this a go. It should taste nice and cold and refreshing. Wow, I've loaded that. Cheers. Oh yeah, that does quench your thirst. Anyway, your black honey iced foam summer coffee drink.